Hey everyone, it's Justin Salisbury. I fill the role of president of Breeze Thru Car Wash, and I'm here to give you the 2023 update on our Breeze Thru Foundation Fund. The year was fantastic. Your contributions to invest in the betterment of employees' lives made an absolute difference, with more than $12,000 going to help people in things such as housing, medical assistance, vehicle assistance, educational assistance, and other personal matters. Huge difference makers you all were. I want to break down a little bit of the results, and you can also see them here visually as we go through this. So as far as site contributions are concerned, we break it out on the percentage of contribution from each of the sites around the company. This year, we ended with corporate being the largest donor per percentage for donations to the Breeze Thru Foundation Fund. And if you follow this graph, you can see where your site ended up as well. In this next graph, you'll see the contribution per employee per paycheck. This tells me a lot about the care we have as an organization. The amount of dollars you're willing to contribute to the betterment of employees' lives is amazing. Take a look at your location on this chart to get an idea of what your team is doing to contribute. And on this final graph, you'll see it laid out to display an average and also where everybody else ranks in a bar graph for the average contribution per employee per paycheck. With an average of around $3.60 per paycheck, that's an incredible investment in the people of this organization. We end the year with a total balance of $38,391.70 in the account, with a projected income of around $18,000 in the coming 12 months. I just want to say congratulations to everybody that cared so much to give to the others in need. We really appreciate that. This fund is for you. Looking forward to a great 2024.